Hello, parents. I am Miss Burst, William T. Brown Elementary School's parent facilitator. And today, this video is going to be somewhat of a refresher, but also maybe to really just expand your knowledge on different kinds of measurements and how to help your child better solve those equations when it comes to measurements. Today, we're going to look at measurements that you would find either in your science lab or working with food, making recipes, making dishes. But before we begin, let's go over some common abbreviations for these particular measurements that we are going to be talking about. So, what you're going to need is a piece of paper, and definitely your child needs a piece of paper. And I want you to set up the cool paper just like this. So at the top, I have a little liquid pitcher, and I have a spoon. And just simply up here, just to make the notes fluffy, 1 pint equals 2 cups or 16 ounces. And then over here by your little spoon, in the middle, you're going to put 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons or a half an ounce. So go ahead and set your paper up like that real quick. Give you a few minutes, however you want to draw your pitcher or your spoon. But 1 pint equals 2 cups or 16 ounces. And 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons or a half an ounce. Now, let's go ahead and label common abbreviations. This is what this lesson is going to be called, common abbreviations. And we're going to start with tablespoon. So it will be a capital T, tablespoon, compound word for your young person. You're going to go ahead and do the colons. Now, the abbreviation with tablespoons is several different abbreviations, but the first letter is always a capital T. So either it'll be the capital T, or it'll be a capital T, B, S, P, which stands for tablespoon, of course, or capital T, B, S. The BS is lowercase, as well as BSP is lowercase. So there's the capital T, or capital T, lowercase BSP, or capital T, BS. Next word we're going to look at is teaspoon. As you know, teaspoon is small. So, teaspoon with a colon. This is going to be either a lowercase t or a lowercase tsp. Stands for teaspoon. Ounces. OUNCE, colon. And that is abbreviated by a lowercase o and a z. Ounces. Pound. POUND. That's for the young person. Colon, that is represented by the acronym abbreviation of lowercase l and b. Cup, go ahead and put that colon. That is going to be represented by a C. Pint, PINT, go ahead and put that colon. Be a lowercase p or t. And this is to help your young person, or you mom or dad, when you're working on word problems or any kind of equation with your child, to be able to recognize the different kinds of abbreviation that may be associated with that equation. Quart, QUART. Go ahead and put those colons. That is going to be represented by a lowercase q or a lowercase qt. And last but not least, gallon. Had a little mishap here, but go ahead and put your gallon down and your colon, and that's going to be the abbreviation lowercase g or the lowercase GAL. So let us review what we've done today so far. Today's lesson is common abbreviations. Just to kick off the assignment, 1 pint equals 2 cups or 16 ounces, or 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons or a half an ounce. Common abbreviations, tablespoon, capital T or capital T, lowercase BSP, or capital T, lowercase bs. Teaspoon, lowercase t or lowercase tsp. Ounces, represented by the abbreviation OZ, lowercase. Pound, represented by the abbreviation of the lowercase lb. Cup, capital C. Pint will be represented by the lowercase p or lowercase pt. Quart, abbreviation will be either a lowercase q or a lowercase qt. Last but not least, gallon, represented by lowercase g or lowercase gal. So, for starters, this completes our lessons on the common abbreviations that's used in measurements that you will probably find in your kitchen when you get ready to prepare that delicious recipe, or give or take, might be in a science lab, may need that gallon of hydroperoxide. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, Yolanda Burst, at ccs.k12.nc.us. Now, look out for more videos in reference to measurements. Have a great day.